I'm Greg McIntyre. Welcome to our home. We love this home because it's on the golf course. I love the views. I grew up next door. Steph and I have shared some amazing memories here.
We have.
With the kids. And we're putting it up for sale because we're moving. And we love the house. We've done tons of improvements. We put LED lighting throughout, landscaping, meticulous. I love properties and I like renovation and I like things to look just right. So that is really me. Come on in. Check it out.
And here we have our foyer.
And we have our formal living room. We've had tons of events here, work events at the home. We've had tons of get-togethers. This is an amazing house to have parties with friends.
Great for
entertaining friends, families.
Very open floor plan.
Business parties, and I'll show you why it's so cool for pool parties too. Formal dining room, cool furniture stuff put in here. This really presents super well. Chandelier is original to the house. We had that redone and kept it in the house. So
it's brass, which is cool, hard to find.
And then we have our breakfast nook, wet bar behind you there, Tucker.
It has its own sink, own storage, very usable. That opens up to our kitchen,
where we've been cooking this morning, so we still have some stuff out. And one of the coolest features is, I know that you love, Steph.
Love it.
Is being able to sit here and look out the window at what?
Deer, birds. There's something out there all the time. It's very peaceful, very beautiful. I love it.
And then when you have a family of 8, you really need a good laundry room. So the laundry room is right behind us.
Have a laundry room, a separate bathroom. So you have your cooking, doing laundry, whatever. There's a half bath in here. Works out great. Plenty of room, plenty of storage. So that's it. It's a laundry room. I spend lots of time in there.
And then you have the den area.
Very large.
Huge TV, big seating areas, large room.
Great for
really
relaxing.
Cool furniture built-ins over here for your knick-knacks, display items,
lighting.
Pictures, family pictures. So on the patio, we have, our girls have done tons of tea parties out here, crafts. I like the fact that it's layered. When Paul Porter built this house, this was called Webb Knoll. The pool was added later. Paul Porter was one of the founders of the golf course here.
It's a great place to grill out, hang out, just relax.
I like the layers on the where are the different levels of the patio. Where you have the upper patio, the lower patio, then the stairs down to the pool area. And then one of the cool features is looking out over that pool. And we'll show you that bedroom balcony shortly. Let's go see the bedroom. So down this hallway, we have different bedrooms for our children.
Bedroom 1. Bedroom 2. Bedroom 3. There's also a Jack and Jill.
There is a full bath in here, which is super cool. And
it has a separate seating area, vanity. And here we have the master. It's a large master. We've added some
television. Oh, the sconces.
Yep, added some extra lighting so you can read at night.
And then if you want to go out in the balcony and hang out day or night, you have the I love the green carpeting here, the exterior outdoor carpeting. I like to sit out here with my laptop. Steph and the kids will be in the pool during the summers and do some work. Super cool view. And you're looking out, you're on top of the hill. It's kind of over the neighborhood. It's
a great place to sit and have coffee also. Through here, we have our master bathroom. It has a seating area, vanity, which I love, use it all the time. You have some privacy if someone is here, taking a shower, whatever. This is the master bath shower. And yeah, that's it. I will take you downstairs. So down here in the downstairs area, we have lots of space for entertaining, hanging out. We have a bar area with tons of storage. There's a kitchenette, sink, anything you need down here.
And what was important to me is to have multiple televisions. So for fight night or for game day, plenty of TVs. We have the pool table, Pop-A-Shot, and the continuous custom painted wall by a local artist, which is super cool that I like. And then a bedroom here, which this is the boys' bedroom and full bath.
It's also very convenient if you're using a pool area. You can just pop right in. You got a bathroom for your guests.
Steph, why don't you show them the pool?
So out here there is another patio area. So you have even more space to entertain, to relax, grill out, chill out.
We've had a lot of birthday parties out here, Girl Scout parties, dance parties,
lots of things.
You name it.
We've used it.
Neighborhood
we've
parties,
used this house to entertain quite a bit.
Work
it's
parties.
perfect for that. And then we have the pool area. Again, there's lots of room for lots of people, lots of seating. It's very relaxing, and we have enjoyed it.
And then if you like basketball, right? Plenty of space for a basketball court out here on the
second drive.
The second drive, yeah.
And lots of room for parking.
It's a great space out here. And then coming out, I mean, the landscaping is ridiculous here, if I don't say so myself. And then looking out, Tucker, show them this great view of the golf course there. So you can tee off on the first tee. Thank you for hanging out with us for a few minutes and sharing our walkthrough and a few memories about our house. We've really enjoyed this property.
Yeah, it is beautiful.
And we think it'd be a great home for you and your family.